Starlink's unique technology plans to help fill the connectivity gap between urban and rural areas. Right now, rural areas face challenges when it comes to getting internet access because of the massive cost of infrastructure, the cost of digging trenches, laying cable or fiber, and even dealing with property rights disputes. But Starlink's satellites will beam an internet signal directly to a user terminal on the ground, resulting in less infrastructure needed to get that internet signal to rural homes. To top it off, according to SpaceX, Starlink's internet will be faster and have less latency than current satellite internet. Each Starlink satellite will communicate with 4 other satellites using lasers. That means they'll beam data across the globe at almost the speed of light, a speed only fiber optic internet come close to matching. An initial beta test partnership between the US Air Force and Starlink, called Global Lightning, saw download speeds of 610 megabytes per second, which used 2 Starlink satellites to send information to terminals inside a C-12 transport plane while it was in flight. With satellite internet, your signal has to travel 22,200 miles to reach the satellite, then back down to the website server, back up to the satellite, and back to you. And that takes a minute. By a minute, I mean between 500 and 600 milliseconds, which for the internet is a long time. But Starlink satellites will sit about 342 miles above the Earth's surface, which is much closer than other satellites. So there's much less distance for your internet signal to travel to a Starlink satellite. At the time of making this video, SpaceX has launched 422 Starlink satellites into space, which means the 400 satellites for minor internet service coverage, which is a step closer to the 42,000 total satellites SpaceX is now hoping to launch. This is feasible because each satellite is about as big as an office desk and weighs close to 500 pounds. That means the January 2020 Falcon 9 mission carried 30,000 pounds of satellites into space. Starlink relies on ground terminals or gateways to bring internet into your home. Elon Musk said they will look like a small to medium-sized pizza, which of course led to the internet calling these terminals pizza boxes. Meme culture aside, SpaceX's first goal is to bring speedy satellite internet to rural areas in the US and Canada. After that, Elon Musk and his company hope to extend the service to other parts of the world. Global connectivity would require SpaceX to launch about 2,800 more satellites, but at much higher altitudes, between 700 and 800 miles above the Earth. SpaceX will also launch satellites over the Earth's poles. Starlink's actual launch date is getting closer because the US Air Force is beta testing Starlink's internet service with its Global Lightning program. Elon Musk sent out a tweet through space using Starlink satellites currently in orbit. We are all sitting on the edge of our seats, waiting for Starlink to be revealed. Until then, we will just have to put up with our terrible ISPs. Thanks for watching. Do you plan to join SpaceX's plan for world domination? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you enjoy content like this, hit the like button and subscribe to be alerted on my future content. I'll see you in the next video.